Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hey everyone, we are Computer Polytechnic students from Zeal Polytechnic, Narhe, Pune, Maharashtra. We have made a software engineering project called as RMMM Solution for Stationery Shop under the guidance of Amruta More ma'am. So my name is Payal Girish Pofli and my teammates are.
Hello, my name is Sandesh Shinde.
My name is Abhijit Puttapatti.
Hi, myself Shubham Kishan Gorpade.
Hi everyone. So here we start our presentation and the topic given to us is RMMM Plan for Stationery Shop. Let's start. So let me tell you what is RMMM. It is generally stands for Risk Mitigation, Monitoring and Management. It supports the project team in constructing a strategy to deal with risk. So let's talk about RMMM plan. The first one is risk mitigation, and you can also call it as a risk avoidance. So it is the primary strategy which is fulfilled through a plan. It's generally used to avoid problems. It is also find out the risk and remove the cause that are the reasons for risk creation. Now, risk monitoring. Basically here, the project manager monitors the factors and gives an identification whether the risk is becoming more or less, as well as to collect data for future risk. Now let's talk about risk categorization. So basically there are three types of risk as you can see. The first one is project risk. If the project risk is real, it is likely that the project schedule will slip and the cost will get increased. It identifies potential schedule, resource, stakeholders and so on. The second one is technical risk. So here, if the technical risk is real, then the implementation becomes impossible and it identifies potential design, interface, verification and so on. The third and the last one is business risk. In this, if the business risk is real, then it might harm the project or product. Then they are further divided into 5 subcategories. The first one is market risk. It generally builds an excellent product or system that no one really wants. The second one, strategic risk. It builds to products that no longer fit into the overall business strategy for the company. The third one, sales risk. It also builds a product that the sales force doesn't understand how to sell. The fourth one, management risk. It generally loses the support of senior management due to change in focus or change in people. The fifth one, budget risk. It loses budgetary or personal commitment. So the last one, risk and solution in stationery shop. So it's basically they are the solutions to avoid risk or to protect our data. So let's begin. The first one, system can crash in future due to high demand of products. So we have to make changes in coding part. Second, anyone can delete the data. So we have to make data private. Third, we have to make different views of software for different stuff does make data private. Fourth, we have to provide security to software to protect data from hackers. Fifth, we have to provide password at different stages of software to protect data. Sixth, sometimes duplicate data can enter in a system which is not good for business. For that, we should provide features to indicate duplicate data in system. Seventh, only owner can access the main data. Eighth, system should be updated every time to protect the data from hackers. So nowadays hackers are increasing in numerously high. So we have to make sure to secure our data or to protect our data. So here we end and thank you so much for your precious time.